Hello guys, welcome to your third Microsoft Visual Basic tutorial. My name is Godknows Chihota from Teswa. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. Remember to click subscribe button to support us to create more new videos for you. So in this video, we are going to take a look at how to insert a comment on our code. So let's go ahead and type that simple program that can write for us hello world. So I'm going to say console right line. So I'm going to say console right line hello world, and then console read line, So this is my code, but now I want to insert the comment so that another programmer can have an idea of what is actually going on when he try to analyze the code. So I need to insert just a single quote. This single quote, you can see here that everything that I'm going to type in this line is going to be the part of our comment. So let me type this line. This line writes the text hello world to the console, and then I'm going to insert another comment here. I'm going to describe about this line, and then I need to insert my single quote here to describe this line. Console, not console. I'm going to say this, describe this line. This line pauses the program and let the user read the text hello world, So this is our code and this is our comments. So if I debug my program here, you can see that this comment doesn't affect our code. So let me debug my program here using this debugging mode start. So you can see here that this is our console window. So you can see that the comment doesn't affect our code anymore, but they help us to understand the meaning of our code. So I hope that you enjoyed this powerful tutorial. Looking forward to see you in the next video. If you didn't want to miss the next video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.